Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So here today I am doing a video on Robinhood. I've been focused a lot on TD Ameritrade as of lately, but I'm gonna come back to Robinhood, and I actually came back and just deposited $100, and I'm gonna try to see what I can do with just $100, just to show you guys that even with $100 you can start creating an account, grow your account little by little. It'll kind of give you that feel for trading options and buying stock and give you a feel for it if you're kind of new to all this. So $100, it's doable, right, for anybody. So I'm going to show you exactly what I've been doing here with Microsoft. Actually, right now, first let me show you real quick 1 month chart. So I invested $100. I was down to 98. Then I went up to 118th, then came back down, and as of currently I'm at $113. The market is open, so this price is going to fluctuate. And what I ended up doing is buying a call option on Microsoft. Now, one single share of Microsoft right now will cost you $184 and some change. The price is going to fluctuate because the market is open. So with my $110 that I have right now on my account, I cannot even buy a single share of Microsoft. But what I can do is trade options. Now, let's say you think Microsoft is going to go up. What you can do is buy a call option. What that does is basically it lets you control 100 shares of the stock with very little capital. Now, it doesn't mean you're going to buy 100 shares of the stock, because 100 shares would actually be a little over $18,000. Now, it lets you control 100 shares. So if you're controlling 100 shares of the stock and the price of the stock is moving up, the profits are going to be a lot greater than simply buying a single share and it moving just a few cents. So, see, I'm going to show you real quick. So I bought one call option. I'm up $3. $3 is not a lot, but then again, $100 is not a lot either. So your investment is not a lot and your gains is not a lot, but it's a kind of great way to, like I said, to get a feel for it, see how much you can grow your account with very little capital. Now, what I did is, and I ended up buying a call option with a strike price of $195 that expires on March 6th. So all contracts, all options have an expiration date. Time is in your favor if you if you're not sure on a stock or something. Time is always going to be of the essence to you. I mean, you want that on your side, because then there's time decay. Then the options expire worthless, and once they expire worthless or start losing value, that means that contract is really not worth that much. And so if you sell it off, you're just gonna sell it off for a loss. Excuse me. So here what I did is I bought a contract. It says $1.04, but that's $1.04 per share, because each contract controls 100 shares of the stock. That's why it's $104. So that's how much I paid. That's my investment in that call option. And what happens when the price of the stock starts moving up? So this contract starts being, it's worth a little bit more now. You can see the plus sign right there, $4. So if I were to sell it off right now, I'd get $4 more than what I paid for the contract. I'm not going to do it, but I'm going to give you, show you exactly how that works. So I bought it, so now I would have to sell it, right? So if I were to sell it, I would get something, like $108 now for that contract. So, because I'm controlling 100 shares, the gains are a lot more than simply buying the stock. And that's what I mean. And that's what I'm going to start doing here with just $100, see how much I can grow it to. I'll be doing some weekly videos, or maybe videos every other day on this account with Robinhood. I won't deposit any more money. I'm going to see how much I can turn $100 into, to kind of give you guys an idea on what I'm doing. Once I have enough money on the account, then I can move on to different strategies like selling puts and selling covered calls, depending on the stock, of course. But I wanted to do this video today and kind of show you guys that even with $100, it's doable. Again, it's not going to be a lot, but it's doable, and we'll see what my account looks like next week.